In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your opening hours on Fresha, a powerful tool designed for business professionals in the beauty and wellness industry. Whether you're adjusting your schedule for the upcoming season or altering your hours to accommodate a personal commitment, updating your business hours on Fresha is a straightforward process that ensures your clients have the most current information about your availability. Let's start by navigating to the Fresha website specifically designed for businesses. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a button to log in. Click on this to proceed. Fresha provides different portals for professionals and their clients, so make sure you select Fresha for Professionals to access the business functionalities. The next step will involve authenticating your identity. You can conveniently do this by selecting Continue with Google. This option allows you to log in using your Google account, making the process faster and more secure. Go ahead and choose the Google account you wish to use for this login. This should be the account associated with your Fresha business profile. Once logged in, you're going to navigate to the online booking section. This part of the platform is where all the magic happens concerning managing how your clients book their appointments with you. In the online booking section, look for the options link. This is your gateway to further tailor how your business operates on Fresha. From managing bookings to altering business information, click on Edit Profile under the options link. This is where you'll be able to update various details about your business, including your opening hours. However, before you can start making these changes, Fresha will guide you through a quick overview, ensuring that you have a clear understanding of your profile setup. Simply click Continue to proceed through this overview. Keep clicking Continue until you reach the section that allows you to view your current schedule. This is crucial as it gives you a broad view of your current opening hours, allowing you to make informed decisions about any necessary adjustments. Now, for the main event, changing your business hours. Once you're in the correct section where your schedule is displayed, you can now modify your opening hours to reflect your new availability. Fresha offers flexibility, so tailor your schedule in a way that best suits your business needs. After you've adjusted your hours to your satisfaction, the final step is to save these changes. Look for the Save and Exit option. This will ensure that all the modifications you've made to your business hours are updated and visible to your clients. It's a simple click, but it's the button that finalizes your new schedule, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully updated your opening hours on Fresha, ensuring your clients are up to date with when you're available for appointments. This step is essential for maintaining a smooth operation and ensuring your clientele knows when they can book your services. Remember, keeping your Fresha profile updated, especially your business hours, reflects your professionalism and helps manage your clients' expectations. It's always recommended to review your business hours regularly and adjust them as needed to accommodate holidays, special events, or personal commitments. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to update your business hours on Fresha. With these steps, managing your availability will be a breeze, letting you focus more on providing the best services for your clients. Stay tuned for more helpful guides on making the most out of Fresha to grow and manage your business effectively.